How to use the tar command on Linux. Hey there, Linux enthusiasts! In today's video, we'll be exploring one of the most versatile and widely used commands in Linux, the tar command. Tar stands for Tape Archive, and it's a powerful tool for creating and manipulating archive files. So, let's dive right in and learn how to use the tar command on Linux. Before we jump into the different ways to use the tar command, let's first understand its basic syntax. The tar command follows this general structure. The options modify the behavior of the command. The archive file is the name of the archive file you want to create or work with. And the files or directories are the files or directories you want to include in the archive. Now that we have the syntax covered, let's move on to the practical examples. Example 1. Creating a tar archive. One of the most common uses of the tar command is to create a tar archive. To create a tar archive, you can use the following command. The C option tells tar to create a new archive. The V option enables verbose mode to display the progress and files being archived, and the F option specifies the name of the archive file. Replace archive.tar with the desired name for your archive file, and specify the files or directories you want to include in the archive. Example 2. Extracting files from a tar archive. Once you have a tar archive, you'll often need to extract its contents. To extract files from a tar archive, you can use the following command. The X option tells tar to extract files, and the other options are similar to the previous example. This command will extract all the files and directories from the specified archive. Example 3. Viewing the contents of a tar archive. Sometimes, you may want to take a peek at the contents of a tar archive without extracting them. To view the contents of a tar archive, you can use the following command. The T option tells tar to list the contents of the archive. This command will display a detailed list of the files and directories contained in the specified archive. Example 4. Adding files to an existing tar archive. What if you already have a tar archive and want to add more files to it? Well, you can do that too. To add files to an existing tar archive, use the following command. The R option tells tar to append files to an existing archive. This command will add the specified files or directories to the end of the archive. Example 5. Extracting specific files from a tar archive. Lastly, let's say you only need to extract specific files from a tar archive. To do that, you can use the following command. Simply replace File 1 and File 2 with the names of the files you want to extract. This command will extract only the specified files from the archive. And that wraps up our tutorial on using the tar command in Linux. Remember, the tar command offers a wide range of options and functionalities, so feel free to explore its manual page for more details and advanced features. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Linux tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving!